Hi, I just wanted to say thank you for choosing Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings to apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle. If you hate cleaning vehicles as much as we do, you're going to love how much easier it is to clean after we install this ceramic coating on your vehicle. I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview of the process and what to expect leading up to your appointment with us. I will contact you prior to your appointment to ensure that we are still set and that you have a ride to work or wherever you're going to be after you drop off the vehicle. We typically ask that clients drop the vehicle off either the night prior or very early the day of your appointment so that we have the maximum amount of time with your vehicle and give you the best results that we possibly can. We'll prepare your vehicle for ceramic coating by conducting a full exterior detail of the vehicle, which includes a foam cannon wash, a clay bar, and a decontamination of the car's paint. If you've chosen the option, we will also polish the paint. Polishing the paint is also known as paint enhancement. Paint enhancement will remove many of the surface defects from the paint, such as car wash swirls or other issues that you may bring to our attention. While we can never promise to remove every single scratch, swirl, or defect from your vehicle's paint, we promise to maximize the appearance of your vehicle while balancing the longevity of your clear coat and vehicle's paint. Depending upon what options you've selected for paint enhancement, we may conduct multiple steps of polishing. Afterwards, we will apply the ceramic coating to all of the exterior surface of your vehicle, including paint, trim, headlights, taillights, glass, and wheel faces are all included in every single ceramic coating package we offer. If you so desire, we can also coat the interior of your vehicle. We can pull your wheels off the vehicle and coat the full wheel and the brake calipers, or other options that you can select under miscellaneous services. You should be seeing some cards on the left-hand side of your screen. One card will take you to a video about us and who we are and why we do what we do. The other card will take you to a playlist, which is a full aftercare series provided to you to help you take care of your newly ceramic coated vehicle. We encourage you to watch especially the first video so that you may purchase any car care products that we recommend in the video prior to your appointment. We are, of course, here to help at any point in the process and along the way when you're taking care of your vehicle. So I just wanted to say thank you once again for booking with us at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings and choosing us to install your ceramic coating on your vehicle, making vehicle cleanup that much easier. So thank you again, and we'll see you soon.